Welcome to Session 11 Petaling Jaya. Today, Anita and I are excited to show you this single-story bungalow right here at this peaceful and serene neighborhood. With over 400,000 renovation done back in 2019, less than 7 years ago, this property is not just comfortable and cozy, it has been transformed into a dual-key concept living. Now, if you're looking for extra space, why don't you follow Jdot Property to find out more? Let's go.
That's how I know. Today's gonna be great, gonna be great, gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be great, gonna be great, gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be great, gonna be great, gonna be
This property was built on the land of 5,334 square feet, and the dimension of the width is 60 feet and the length is 89 feet. 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom, including a private master suite, and the total build-up size is 2,200 square feet. And this property is attractively priced at 1.79 million. Come with a 99 years leasehold expiring in 2065. The size of the car porch area is really spacious. You can easily park 3 SUV in this area and another 3 outside the long gate. Now, one of the great things that I want to highlight is the initiative by the neighborhood. They actually install a CCTV to monitor the street to ensure the safety and to provide a strong sense of communities looking out for one another. Now, let me quickly walk you through the layout plan before Anita shows us around. Starting with a large car porch, moving into a spacious living room and leading you to a dining area, dry and wet kitchen. 3 well-sized bedroom and 3 bathroom, and the owner has created an additional private master suite, making this a dual-key concept living. Now, you have got the ideas of the layout. Let's head inside with Anita to explore this bungalow.
Let me show you this beautiful home. It welcomes you into a spacious and inviting living area with a gracious square layout. If you're someone who loves to entertain, this space may just be perfect for you. This door leads to a charming side garden, extending your indoors to outdoors. So if you're entertaining, your outdoor is just within reach.
Got my game face on and I'm going strong. It's about that time, won't take me long. Go ahead, don't believe me, say I'm wrong.
Moving on is the master bedroom. It is located at the front of the house. It has a clear view of the garden and the car porch. This room is of a good size and comes with an attached bathroom. There's still plenty of space if you wish to expand or customize it to your needs in the future. This is the second bedroom. This is the only bedroom without an attached bath. If you do not need an extra room in the house, this room can be transformed into a TV area or even a study, depending on your needs.
That's my only gear.
This is the third bedroom. It is of a cozy size. It comes with an attached bathroom. We also have an attached wardrobe for extra storage.
Wanna see me level up?
I love this long and spacious dining area. It overlooks the side garden. I just imagine having a long sliding door here overlooking the outside and then creating a patio outside. I may add on some water features, landscape garden, making that place really cozy and to entertain. I feel that space can be transformed into something special.
Yeah, we do just what we want to. Now
The dry kitchen is located on this side of the house, with the daily dining area on the other, creating a nice separation between cooking and dining. However, if you're someone who loves to cook, you could easily transform the entire space into a full-fledged kitchen to suit your needs.
do just what we want to. Yeah, we do just.
In the backyard, there's a wet kitchen, perfect for heavy-duty cooking, as well as dedicated area for washing and laundry. The backyard also offers a great level of privacy with a motorized shade to shield you from evening sun or unexpected rain. For added convenience, there are 2 large water tanks ensuring you have more than enough water supply in case of any interruptions. It's a practical and well-thought space for everyday living.
This gazebo is such a standout feature in this bungalow. The Chengal wood gives a timeless, elegant look, and it's just not about design, it's so practical, with built-in electricity, lights and fan.
Exactly, the functionality of this gazebo is incredible. It is spacious enough to host family and friends and is easily accessed from the living area. Now the best thing about this bungalow is the dual key concept, and I can't wait to show you around. Let's check it out. Step inside, you will find a space designed for total privacy and relaxation, with its own living room, kitchenette, bathroom and bedroom with a built-in wardrobe. This master suite is like a sanctuary within the home. It is perfect for those moments when you want to disconnect and enjoy some quiet time. Imagine reading your favorite book in the cozy living room, preparing a light meal here, and simply unwinding in the peaceful ambience of your own space. This is for those who value their privacy, personal space, or it can be a great room rental option at the rate around 1,500. This bungalow has a beautiful landscape garden with lots of plants and greens. The greenery makes the space feel calm and cool. Whether you are relaxing in the gazebo, walking through the garden, it is a great space for everyone who loves nature and enjoy quiet and relaxing surroundings.
Oh, haven't you heard?
That's the end of our home tour videos, and if you are interested in this property, do contact us at the number below.
It's been a joy presenting this beautiful bungalow to you. Do not forget to subscribe Jdot Properties on all your social media channels. I'm Anita.
My name is Jonathan. Jdot Property will see you next time. Bye!